A requirements analyst needs to derive the customer requirements from the project scope and the description provided by the requirements providers. Major features are determined that are required to support the to-be process vision and the to-be architecture vision. The requirements are expanded and analyzed to the point at which they can serve as the basis for the sizing estimate. The inconsistencies between derived customer requirements and scope need to be identified and resolved with the support of the project manager. The compiled set of features is then entered individually as per the table provided in the requirements information gathering template. At a minimum, there should be at least one customer requirement captured for each strategy identified in the goal model. Here are some detailed guidelines. Document user problem and project background. A requirements analyst can review the as-is assessment document and document the project background and describe the user problem in the customer requirements document. Document goals. Review the goal model and document the goals of the project in the customer requirements document. Document project scope. Document the scope of the project as defined in the to-be process vision, to-be process design, and to-be architecture documents. Document stakeholders. Review the context diagram and document the following in the customer requirements document: the client, the person organization, who pays for the product development. The customer, the person organization S, who will use the product. Other stakeholders, the people organizations that have a vested interest in the product. Document users of the product. Review the to-be process design documents and determine the users of the product. Users are the described as roles of people who interact with the system. Document the identified roles in the customer requirements document. Document assumptions and other relevant facts. Document any assumptions that were made in the development of the to-be process and architecture designs. If there are any other relevant facts that can influence or provide insight to the developers of the system, document them in this section of the customer requirements document. Determine major features required to support to-be process design. Review the strategies and process critical success factors of the goal model, and determine if there are any major features needed to support them. Review the to-be process vision and to-be process designs, and identify any major features that are required to support these designs. Review the change impact risk analysis document, and determine if there are any major features required to mitigate these issues. Document all business requirements using the requirement information collection template. Determine major features required to support to-be architecture vision. Review the to-be architecture vision, and determine the major features required. Enter compiled features into customer requirements document. Enter all of the customer requirements data captured on the requirements information gathering template into the customer requirements document. The key decisions, including non-approved requirements, need to be captured through meeting minutes and communicated to the business project champion, process manager, and requirements providers.